All right, I got an idea, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Now, if any blue collar chaps out there, or gals, that you're out in the elements in wintertime, lunchtime rolls around, and you're like, man, a warm meal would be nice. Me and my old man came up with this idea because we planned on making a service truck and have, a generator that can run, air compressor, welder, and that just never really came around. But technology has sprouted a couple cool little innovations, such as one of the items I'm about to show you. They can actually run a microwave just like a generator will, but it's quite a bit smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing real quick. And I think this plan will work because it's quite a bit smaller of a package. You don't need a big old generator packing around. So check this out. Now, they make these in all kinds of different sizes. This one is by Gressel Power Station. Portable power station, and this one's 1,000 watt. We're gonna open this thing up quick. So I'm hoping that my 700 watt microwave can be ran off of this, but I think it's gonna come in clutch because wintertime, it's nice right now, but we've had a couple decent aggressive storms. And oddly enough, in the tree business, we have a pellet stove as our main source of heat in the house. It's just super easy. Unlike that box getting open with my left hand. It's easy for the girls to unload, load it all up. Callahan can load it. And I think this thing can actually keep it going because it just needs to be lit, and then it's just a series of fans. But I think this little guy, well, it gets even smaller inside the little bag. Look at that. It's just like a little car battery. Obviously just running 110. Oh, it comes 52% charged. Got a side light. Okay. You got all your little accessories, USBs, and then there's the big dogs that we're looking for right there. What else is in here? There's going to be a link in the description for this bad boy. Haas got a bigger one, had to show me up. Hopefully this is the charger. Oh, and it's even got a spot on the top. But let's see if this thing works. We're going to get this thing fully juiced up and take it to work with us. Because that thing is literally the size of a battery. And that thing can slip in the toolbox of the truck, no problem. Oh man, we got all kinds of charging hootenannies for it. I'm looking forward to this. If this one don't work, Haas got 6,000 one. It should do the job, but it's about 6 times as big. So 1,000 one, it's easy to pack around. Let's try it. Boxes. I think the little mini microwave will fit. She's cooking. I don't know, I probably should have thrown a corn dog in there. See how she done. I had 70% battery when I started that off. Let's see what it gets to. 67. Oof. We only got a couple corn dogs we can cook them at. Guy said he wanted popcorn. Throw that popcorn in there. There you go. Close it. There we go. 900. It said it was only a 700 watt microwave, but that thing keeps saying 960 on the battery. And what's it doing? Cooking. Careful, she's hot. Good job, buddy. Look at that bad boy. A little inverter. Let's get a bowl. 2022 Ram 5500, the Laramie, mixed with trailer park edition and working blue collar, man. That inverter might fit right there, but it's in the house charging. But either way, we got other toolboxes, but check that out. I probably need to throw something in there to make sure my little disc doesn't fall out, but we are. Left hand's not strong. There we go. Check this out. To run the pellet stove is 155 watts to heat this 2,900 square foot house. And it's on kind of high. So the initial start, you just flip the switch back there and put it on manual mode, and I just use the torch anyway. Yeah, boy. And the power inverter battery box. That thing is going to last a while. I'm fairly confident. So when the power goes out, I don't need to run a generator all night. I can run this bad boy. 140. Can you guys see that there? That's fantastic. And it's something that you can pack around. That thing is worth it. Oh, wow. All right, this is the part that I'm most excited for. Middle of winter, you're cold. Hot meal would be nice when you're on a job site. So check this out. I know it's next to my fuel tank. That just happened to be my empty toolbox. We're probably going to address that. But check this out. My battery box fits in there. And my microwave. What do you think about that, Hoss? Just got to kind of shimmy it a little bit. Find your extension cord. Right now this is in the rough draft stage, but put a t-shirt for traveling purposes on my, glass disc. See if I can drop it right now, trying to get it out of there. It's somewhere. I don't know what, maybe they got a different microwave that doesn't require a floating disc like that. Take our soon-to-be hot lunch, put in there. Fire this bad boy up. Hit the AC. There we go. Where's our 30-second button on here? Clocking in at 976-ish watts. Power box is rocking. Oh, by the way, phone charger does work on the top. So you're sitting here waiting for your food to heat up. You could be charging your phone, looking at the birds or something. Pretty dang excited about this, to be honest with you. Don't have to have a noisy generator like a service truck typically would. Have your welder unit or whatever on top. You fire that thing up so you can heat up your pizza or leftover pasta, whatever, tacos. Might have sent her a little too hard there, bud. Yep, my French fries are... That'd be so nice on a job site. They're damn hot. All right. This is just your cheap microwave. But this guy right here, I'll have a link in the description down below. Got to check one of these things out. It seems to be super convenient. You saw that it ran the pellet stove in the house. And obviously anything, I don't know, in your neck of the woods. California, every once in a while, they just shut down the power because of winter. You guys want one of these hot ones? So if we can keep the house warm without having to run a generator all night, that would be ideal. But also, folks in other states, I'm sure, might suffer the same issues during the winter. But something like that, you keep your little items charged up and whatnot. So go ahead and shut her down.
Oh, photovoltaic DC. That's what a solar...
All I've been using is the...
Mine's got that connection.
Yeah, that's what I plug it into the wall with.
For the solar.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you got a solar panel that will fit that?
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding? Yeah. Just FYI, that used 4% for 1 minute. And that's what it was knocking, at the door for. That was the door knocker before.
Show you over here.
Let's talk about it.
You can look at this one. Well, this isn't the brand you bought.
No, we can't. This is a brand that Hoss got off Craigslist.
Put this on yours then.
Well, look at this big old solar panel array that you got here. We're not trying to advertise hippie. We're trying to advertise some convenient stuff that just makes some sense. Because this thing right here, or any of these inverter boxes, that one we got out there on the truck, convenient for taking to a job site, something simple. This thing can run refrigerators and stuff like that, some big Hoss stuff.
Yeah, 2-3 days or something.
Yeah. So this thing here, what's the power of these four big boys?
Watt.
And you got it saucing this thing up.
Right now, because it's in the shade,
Adapter.
it's charging 28 watts.
Really?
Huh?
That's pretty good considering it's behind a tree.
When you get in the direct sunlight, it goes to 160. It's supposed to be 200, but then it says plus or minus 5%.
Those things are pretty good then.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, I guess let's try hook up that little guy over there and see what it does. Well, that's with me standing in the way. Did it? It's still charging.
Yeah,
isn't it?
it works way better than this. Now this connection, so we can.
Well, look at that. We got universal stuff going around all over. I didn't think that companies were that on par with just making stuff make sense. This one did come with adapters and stuff, but
They got certain names for these, and those, I forget what they're. They got letters and numbers in them, but they're kind of supposed to fit everything.
we're gonna end this video here for things that I think every work truck should need. This bad boy right here.